Čaute, tu je opäť váš milovaný Korok a dneska si zahráme The Walking Dead, keďže som ho už dlho nehral. Strašne dlho som ho nehral, tak preto som si ho chcel dneska zahrať, aby ste vedeli, že čo sa deje. Môžeme si pokračovať v hre.
Yeah, we had some close calls, but
áno, chvíľom to bylo o vlásek, ale Glenn je v pořádku. Áno, sme OK. Dám niekoľko kanistr paliva do tvojho pick-upu, zmizlo. To rád pribudlo. OK, len som chcel povedať, že strašne mi to nedá. Musím čítať tie titulky, ale bol som zdrbaný od kamarátky, však víš ako, že nesmiem čítať titulky, takže titulky nebudem čítať, čítajte si ich sami, prosím vás, dobré?
You won't survive any more stress. The next order of business is getting those pills out of the pharmacy.
OK, takže titulky si už nebudem čítať. Teraz sa idem pozerať, čo sa deje. Jak sa môžeme vypožiadať s tými vecmi tam venku? Zaščítam, ja som kretén. Porozprávajme sa s nimi.
Hey Lee. Really gave that old man hell.
Yeah. We got pushed, you know?
You don't have to tell me. I was ready to tear the man's head off. Anyway, we, Kat and I, appreciate your support.
Thank you, Lee.
No.
How's Duck doing?
He's okay. It was just a shock.
We're lucky as hell nobody got nabbed on the way in here.
No kidding.
How's she doing?
She's good, I think.
She's a tough one right there.
She's just a little girl, Ken.
Were you saying, Lee, she spent days surviving on her own?
That's right.
Not just any little girl can do that.
Are you guys all right?
We're just fine, considering.
How about you, Duck?
We've all been through a lot.
Talking Dead.
What's the plan?
Hang tight, I suppose. Seems pretty dangerous out there, so we ought to wait for things to clear up.
You said your family was from here in Macon?
That's right.
Where are they? Should we go looking for them?
They
Budem
own this
hovoriť
place.
pravdu. Nebudem
They
klamať.
pulled some bodies out of the office before we got here. They're
Takže
gone.
Oh, sweetie.
povedal som
Cat.
pravdu.
They were good people. I wasn't around much, but yeah, they're dead.
Lee,
Nebudem
you
klamať
got a second?
Kennymu.
Sure.
A som rád, že Kenny mi verí. Takže tak.
Back on Herschel's farm.
Yeah.
I panicked, you know. I'm not proud of it.
It
Čo sa stáva?
happens.
I guess. But I can't stop seeing him in my head.
Yeah, that's rough.
I killed that
No
boy.
fakt, ty kokos, som
We could have
nepovedal.
saved him together.
You didn't have a choice. You think you do when you look back on it, but in a moment, when things are really out of control, you don't have any choice.
Takže tak.
I guess.
Try to let it go.
Kenny mi verí. Yes, dobre, to som chcel. Som rád, že Kenny mi verí, lebo keď mi Kenny verí, je všetko OK. Takže tak nejak. Takže sa tu poprechádzajme. Máme za sebou sekeru, nejaké vecičky, tu si pozrieme aj fotky.
I don't remember them very well.
To sú naše rodinné fotky. Rozlišenie je úplne super, tých novín aj všetkého. Takže tu sa pozrieme, čo je toto. Pohľadnice. OK. Tu sú ešte fotografie.
No, I'm sorry to hear your loved one was eaten by the living dead cards.
Dobre. Ak ste si to prečítali, čo povedal. Ak nie, tak si to stopnite a vráťte si to tak o pár sekúnd dozadu. A ja si to pozriem ešte raz.
No, I'm sorry to hear your loved one was eaten by the living dead cards.
Takže je to také vtipné, lebo že nie je tam žiadna pohľadnica s textom, že prepáčte, ale vášho milovaného človeka zjedol chodiaca mŕtvola. Zjedla chodiaca mŕtvola. Pozrieme sa. Na stenkách hlúposti. Tu je žena. porozprávame sa so ženou.
Hey, Carly.
Aj Carly.
Story of the century here, huh?
Yeah, and I've got shit for recording equipment. And from the looks of it, there isn't going to be any shortage of first-hand accounts.
You do radio.
That's right. Well, until some piece of shit politicians yank our funding, and I hit the blogosphere.
You seem to handle yourself pretty well.
Really? I'm a disaster.
I can't tell.
My news editor was eaten about 5 feet away from me, and I would have joined her if it wasn't for that dorky guy on watch over there.
I'm sorry.
She was an asshole, but, you know.
Yeah. That guy saved you?
Yeah, can you believe it? Those creeps, or ghouls, or whatever the hell they are. They were pulling our van apart, and that guy, Doug, just came to the rescue.
You can never tell who the heroic ones are gonna be, I suppose.
He's kind of cute. In that parents' basement sort of way.
Huh?
Huh? Oh, nothing.
Dobre.
How'd you end up here?
We drove out to
Well,
cover the Cherry Blossom Festival. Real hard-hitting stuff.
Sounds worth it.
Takže...
I'm still looking for batteries for that thing.
Ona je vlastne novinárka.
Thanks. I
A ten
appreciate
Doug
it.
ju zachránil. Doug vyzerá byť taký poserutko,
I'm
ale
still looking for
zachránil.
batteries for that thing.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
Aha,
I better get back to it.
dvakrát som
Yep.
povedal to isté.
Thanks, by the way.
Don't mention it. Just remember what I said.
Yeah, I will.
OK. Carly je celkom pekná, akože. Teda, keby nebola kreslená.
I'm still looking for batteries for that thing.
Thanks.
Bože.
I appreciate it.
Skapte už. Ako sa dohokovala to isté.
Central High Tech State. Paper's a week old. Feels like years.
Čo tu je?
Looks like
Krabica
nobody
sídla.
got a chance to donate anything before this all went down.
Takže takto už si zobral toto jedlo. Opýtajme sa na to.
How you doing,
Glena?
You know.
Späť.
Back to the motor inn.
How can it be that bad so fast?
You know when things are taken away, people do
Počkajte.
crazy shit.
I guess. That's not me. I'm not giving up. Not for anything.
Good, man. Good.
Dobre.
I guess you really wanted that gun.
Seems like.
Why didn't you tell Carly to just give it to her?
Would you have given it to her?
No way.
Then you know why. Do you know the combination for the lock on the gate outside?
Why?
Oh, you know. I thought I'd go stretch my legs.
You're probably better off breaking it if you have to.
Bude lepšie ulomiť.
What's your next move?
I don't know. I mean, you guys seem okay.
What about your family?
Yeah, I
Forget it, man. That's your business.
hate feeling like I can't do anything.
I know the feeling, man.
Celý čas mu
Try to
hovorí
get some rest.
chlape, chlape, chlape.
Yeah, right.
To čo má byť? OK, takže Klementínka, porozprávame sa s Klementínkou. Ahoj, Clem. Co tvoj
How's
prst?
your finger, Clem?
Good. It doesn't hurt so much anymore.
Good.
OK.
I know I'm not your dad, but if you need anything, I'm your guy, okay?
Som
Okay.
tvoj priateľ.
Same.
You're my guy?
Oh,
Rozumiem ti.
no. You know.
Si ochylak?
We're gonna
Nie.
try to take care
Len
of
nie
each
malé
other.
deti na večeru.
Yes.
Vážne? Presne
Let
tak.
me know if you need anything.
Okay.
Skontroloval si Klementín. OK. Tam za tými dvoma, čo tam ležia, na nich sa možno vysrať. Za nimi nejdem. Prosím vás, dajte mi sekundu. Idem si po reckovku. Som späť a pokračujeme v našej hre. A idem za Dagom. Dag sa volá?
How
Dag sa
we
volá.
doing?
Good. Want to go have a look around outside?
Let's have a look
Poďme vonku,
around.
čo?
Okay.
Nasrať. Nasrať si nedám nič. Ideme vonku. Holy shit.
Did you guys try to get in there and get weapons?
I did, but it was too risky. And then a bunch of guys showed up and they tried.
And what happened?
I think they're most of who you see wandering around out there.
Že väčšinu ich zožili.
That place is full of TVs and electronics.
Mám ovládač? Tak skúsme to.
Think you can do anything with this?
You know what I could do?
What's that?
It's universal. I could program it to work with those TVs across the street. Let's just hope the power's still on.
You can just do that?
I memorized all the codes when I was in AV. Let's try.
Takže on je taký učenec, hej? A vie zapnuté telky.
Well fucking done, Doug. All that dork nonsense might save a life.
Takže teraz,
Say it already
čo?
hasn't.
Teraz všetci akože pôjdu k tým telkám, hej?
That got a few of them to take notice.
But not enough.
Holy shit. Jedne sú škaredy. Čo tu je? Aha, dvere.
Can't reach that brick.
Rýchlo, dačo, či môžem zobrať cihlu.
How'd you end up here?
I moved here to live with my uncle. He does tech stuff and it just made sense.
So you're local. You probably knew the owners of this place.
No, not really. I've only been here a couple months and I spend a lot of time.
On the computer?
No, just
Za počítačom.
thing. What about you?
I
Vyrastal
grew
som
up
tady.
here. Been trying to get home since the dad came back.
Oh, so you probably knew the owners then?
Yeah, I did. Good people.
To je tak smutné, že on v kuse hovorí o svojich rodičoch. Pozrieť sa nepozrieme, skúsme to tak.
Hey man, what are you doing? We can't even think about going out there unless the keys are out there for sure.
Nasrať. Počkaj, tu je žienka.
Yeah, that's a hasty fortification job over there.
Yeah, it didn't work.
To nech sa plazí. No takže...
That guy over there has the keys.
Po dlhej dobe
How
hrám
can you be
Walking
sure?
Dead. Je to môj
Found
brat.
this in the office. That boy in the photo worked here. The keys being on him is as good a bet as we could make.
Takže...
Yeah, I agree. Just need to
Tešil
figure
som
out
sa
how
na
to
Walking
get out
Dead.
there and get them.
Teraz sa sprazdnení, dúfam, že toho vydám
Wouldn't
viac,
need
lebo
long,
teraz
right?
som chvíľku nemal čas
Just a few
natáčať.
seconds.
Nemal som na to miesto ani
Maybe there's a way
internet.
to distract them and buy you some time.
Hej, idem to rozbiť, nasrať.
Awesome.
To akože nebolo
How
počuť
to
toto, hej?
distract those things
Čo si kokos?
carefully.
I can't reach that brick.
Jak nedosáhneš na cihlu? Si kokos? Otvor to, otvor to. Zober cihlu. Zober cihlu. Tak, to som chcel. Teraz čo s ňou? Šmáriu. To on dohodí? Dohodíš? Ukáž sa. Ó, pravý bejsbalista. Čo je? Všetci tam, nech sa páči. Aký sú škaredy.
Now's the time.
Nie je čas. OK, takže teraz by som chcel vybehnúť vonku. Pusti ma, ty kokos. Bež, Lee, bež.
Be careful.
Keep
Be
an eye out.
careful. Dávej pozor. Nasrať. Nechceš ísť pomalšie cez tú cestu? Čau. Jak sa máš? Dobre som na ty. Poď sem, vyhodím ti. Ne, nechcem. Daj mi ruku, nechcem.
I don't know what happened to Mom and Dad, but I know if you were there, you'd have died for them. So, yeah. I'm gonna assume that's
Takže
what happened.
tento brat by sa obetoval kvôli rodičom.
Give me a second.
No krič na ňu. Dávaj Hedley, odsekni mu hlavu.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I wasn't here. But knowing you were to take care of him, that helped.
Ty si kokos? Však dávaj Hedlore. Teraz sa s ním budeš rozprávať. Daj mu. toho určite nezabije. Ty, asi by som sa posral. Jak pes, kňuči. Cekni mu tu hlavu. Počkajte, musím si stišiť zvuky, lebo tam príliš nahlas. No, konečne. Čo to trvalo, ty kokos. Trošku hlasu.
There we go.
Aj čas ísť. No poďme.
Holy crap! Run!
Utekaj, Forrester, utekaj.
Man, that was close.
But we did it.
Zajímavé, že s tou nohou zranenou tak utekal, jak Usain Bolt. Už sa to
I've got the
načíta.
keys.
Great. God, you're amazing.
Si úžasná.
Let's
Okay,
get in
áno,
there.
poď na to, žena, poď na to. Nahrávam. No ja chcem, aby sa mi táto hra uložila.
Oh no. Shit. We gotta hurry.
OK, ale čo sa stane ďalej, sa dozviete až na budúce. Viem, že som zlý, že vám to nepoviem, ale to som už ja. Ak sa vám toto video páčilo,